Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be a get ready with me, just a chatty get ready with me, talking about my SHAAANXO stash products and all that fun stuff. So go get your makeup ready and get your laptop, your phone, your TV, however you watch YouTube ready, and let's do our makeup together. Alright, so I have already primed my eyelids with my NYX Above and Beyond Full Coverage Concealer because I finished my Makeup Revolution primer, and I did my eyebrows off camera. If you guys want to see how I do my eyebrows, I'll link a video down below for that. So we're going to start out with the eyes first, and for this SHAAANXO stash, I've been using the Shannnxo, the Remix palette. I have a tutorial coming with this side of the palette, the original side. I did hit pan on Buttercup, which was exciting. I thought I was going to hit pan on Buttercup too. So I'm thinking of using this side for a look today with some fun color because my shirt is kind of fun. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a Britney Spears shirt. I got it from Macy's, but I got it for Christmas, but I picked it out from Macy's. So let's just jump into it. So the first shade I'm picking up is the shade right here, which is Bestie. It's like a really pretty rosy color. And I'm just going to pop this in the crease with my Morphe M441 brush. So this SHAAANXO stash has been a little hard for this month. I haven't really been grabbing towards a lot of the products. I have been trying to rotate my palettes when I do use them. Like one day I'll use my Shannnxo palette, then the next day I'll use my chocolate bar, and then normally Wednesday or Thursday I film, so then those I just use whatever palettes I want, and then Friday I'll use my Havana and kind of just like rotate them. But it's been hard this month. I don't think I'm going to be doing a SHAAANXO stash next month just because I have a lot going on in April and May, so I'm probably going to not do them for those 2 months. So just like a little warning. You guys like these videos. Next, I'm going to take Bestie and a little bit of Need You on the same brush and just sweep this in the crease. But I did good progress with the Shannnxo palette because I did hit pan, so that, you know, like I said, was exciting. And I feel like I have been doing better with the SHAAANXO stash though, because I've been gravitating a lot more towards some of the products. Kind of want to leave it there for the crease. Next, I'm thinking of going into Dream Girl right here, which is this really pretty peachy shade. And I'm just going to use my finger to apply this to the lid. I love this shade. I remember that was like the first shade I used when I got this palette. And I'm just going to put this all over the lid. I'm just going to blend everything out a little bit. So for this tutorial, I'm not going to show every single step of my makeup because the last time I did that, the footage was so long, it took me forever to edit. So that is why. So I'm going to take this Dawn brush and a little bit of Bestie and Need You and just put this on the outer V. And yeah, so this video is just going to really focus on the products I've been using for this month's SHAAANXO stash because the video took me like 2 hours to edit. And normally I'm a quick editor. I can edit a video in like, I don't know, 30 minutes, an hour. It really just depends. But my last SHAAANXO stash video, Jesus, take the wheel. I was chatty Cathy that day. I don't know what was going on. And I don't like my videos to be too long. Like, I like them to be under 10 minutes, to be honest with you. But sometimes that doesn't happen. I'm just going back in with Bestie and Need You on my finger just to really blend it out here. Next on this brush, I don't know how to describe this. It's from BH. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is Island Glow. And I'm going to put this in like the inner corner of the eye. Not like so much here, but more where I didn't put Dream Girl. And just really place it like that. Just create like a really pretty little gradient here. So what have you guys been watching on Netflix recently? I just started Pretty Little Liars. I know, judge me. I didn't watch it when I was in school, like when it was on TV. Just because I never really watched TV, like ever. I don't know why. And I'm the type of person, when something like is really popular at the moment, I tend to like not like it, and then I'll like it like 5 years later. Because that's me. Jumping on the late train. I literally just, you know, toot to my own horn. But you know, I really like it so far. Can someone just tell me, like, do we ever find out who A is? I just need to know. I'm on season 2. I know I have a long ways to go, but I just need to know, do we find out who A is? I haven't read the books. I'm gonna read the books after. We're going backwards here. And I haven't read the books, but I'm going to once it's done, because they're free on the Kindle Unlimited, which is right up my alley. So I'm gonna definitely read it. So let me know. It's like the books, the same if you read the books or whatever. I would like to know. I have eyelash or eyeshadow in my eyelash, or a hair in my eyelash. I don't know. I like how this looks so far. It looks really pretty. I just want to add a little more of Dream Girl to the center here. But yeah, so watching that currently. What are you guys watching? Next up, I'm going to add a little bit of Dark Horse right here on this little angle brush, and I'm just going to add it like just along the outer V. I'm not gonna wing it out or anything, just to add like a little bit of depth to the look. Not depth, like darkness to the look, because it is like a darker brown. I'm gonna bring this to the lower lash line as well. But yeah, I just would like to know about A. Do we find out who A is? Because I feel like we could have found A like 12,000 times and we didn't find out who she was yet. Or he, they. I forgot my primer was in my SHAAANXO stash, so I've been using the Benefit Professional. I'm almost done with it. So what I've been doing is I've been squeezing a lot onto my hands, like that much. Normally it comes out much neater, but tonight it's just doing what it wants. And I've been taking my Beauty Creations Unicorn Tears liquid highlighter to just do like a little tiny dot of that on there. So it kind of just looks like that. And then I rub my hands together and I just apply this to my face. So once I'm done with this step, I will be going to do my foundation. And we'll be back to do bronzer. Because foundation is what takes the longest, apparently. For me. I'm back to do my bronzer for foundation today. I use my BH Cosmetics foundation. Just because I don't know why I grabbed it. I just did. So now for bronzer, I've been using a mix of these two. And it is the Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced. This is in my project pan for the year. And then my Benefit Hoola bronzer, which is in my SHAAANXO stash. Haven't really made any dents in either. These two are black holes. Literally, like they're like my Tarte palette from last year. Like 2 black holes. So I've been applying them with this Sonia Kashuk brush. I really like it. I actually saw James Charles use it on Tati when he did her wedding makeup, and it looked so pretty, so I tried it and I love it. So I just make like that fishy face and do the 3. Like it's so light, but I like that because I like to do, you know, more natural wearable things. Just because sometimes, I don't know, I'm not like a dramatic makeup person. Sorry. But I always do my nose. But this combo smells amazing. Like this one just smells like chocolate. It smells so good. It smells like when you're baking like brownies or something. Oh my god. Love it. I didn't have a blush, so I just put on my Rockateur blush from Benefit. This is in my project pan. This is what it looks like. I mean, the words are fading away, finally. For highlight, I've been using this Makeup Revolution pressed highlighter in Peach Kiss, which I really, really like. It's really, really pretty. And I've been mixing it with my Mary Luminizer, but Mary Lou is getting a little hard to use because I really hit pan on her. So what I have been doing, my makeup wipes, is I've been using eyeshadows. I've been mixing them. So I think today I'm going to mix Holy Grail with the peach highlighter, and let's see how that looks. I used Holy Grail on its own and it's such a pretty highlight. Ooh, yes, very pretty. Oh, eyeshadows make really good highlighters. you weren't aware. That's like the fun part about makeup, and what I love about makeup is like products can be used so many different ways. Especially like eyeshadows. Eyeshadows can be used as blushes, highlighters. You can use them as eyebrow products, eyeliner, like anything. Bronzer. Bronzers can be used as eyeshadows, brow products. Like everything's so versatile. Versatile? Whatever. You guys know what I mean? But this highlight is really pretty. So Shannnxo, Holy Grail. Even Holy Grail by itself is really pretty. And the Makeup Revolution Pressed Highlight in Peach Kiss. Gorgeous highlight. Just going to apply that to the brow bone as well. And bring it down to the like temple. Up during this. Looks so pretty. Even if you don't do your eyeshadow and you just do this, I did this the other day. Looks so pretty. For lips, I've been using this Posy tint, which I've been using a lot, but I doubt it moved at all because I feel like there's like so much in this little bottle. So I'm just gonna apply this to my lips, and I'll probably put a lip gloss of some sort on top, and I'll tell you if I do. So I did add a little bit of the Fenty Gloss Bomb, and this is the finished look. I really like how this look came out. It's really perfect for spring. I think the colors are really pretty with that peach and the gold. So pretty. I love it, and it's just giving me spring vibes. I've been doing so many like spring vibes tutorial, but that's because I want spring so badly. It's just been so cold and I need the spring. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. If you guys have any like questions about how I did, or anything, like questions about any products I use, let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to know like how I feel about some of them that I've been using in my Shop My Stash, let me know in the comments down below. If you have any video suggestions, again, let me know in the comments down below. I know I said in one of my videos I was going to do something with this purple. That is coming soon. I said it was going to be in April, but then I realized I needed more videos for May. So that is coming this month. I mean in March. That's coming this month in March, something with that purple shade. If you guys want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!